Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So we are going to be looking at some more of algebraic techniques, and we have already looked at some of the techniques that are involved where we expand some algebraic expressions in the previous videos. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, you can do well to just go back and look into them. Okay, so moving on, we are going to look at another technique that is used in algebra, which is expansion. Okay, so in expansion, you are simply removing brackets. Okay, so for example, you can be given in algebra where you have 3y bracket 2x minus 5. Okay, and you're asked to expand this expression. So basically you're just going to be using maths laws, where you have to know that the meaning of brackets is simply means you are multiplying. You are just multiplying all these stuff that are in the bracket. You're going to multiply them with the 3 that is outside the bracket. Okay, so to solve for this question, you said we have 3y bracket 2x minus 5, and you are asked to expand it. So we're going to multiply 3y multiplied by 2x. Okay, the same multiplied by 2x, right, minus 3y multiplied by 5. Okay, and then we simplify. We say 3y times 2x, it gives us 3 times 2, that's 6. Then y by x, that's yx. Okay, minus 3y times 5, it gives us 15y. Okay, so that's the answer. So we have moved from this point to this point. Okay, but then there comes another example when you are given two brackets. For instance, you'll be given 3x, right, minus 8 bracket 2x plus 7, and you're asked to expand this algebra. So what you basically have to know is you have to choose one bracket, right, that you are going to multiply, that you are going to break down and multiply each of it into the other bracket. So this is what I'm saying, like you're going to break down. So you have 3x, right, you're going to multiply it with this whole bracket. You're going to multiply it with 2x plus 7, right, minus 8, the other part. Then you're going to multiply it with the whole bracket of that side, like 2x plus 7. Okay, then you simplify. Then you do like what we did from the previous example. Now you're just multiplying the 3x. You're going to multiply it with this number. So if you say 3x multiplied by, that's 3x times 2x, right, plus 3x, okay, let's just put some brackets, plus 3x times 7, okay, minus, we move on, 8 times 2x, that's 8 times 2x. Okay, then we also have minus 8 times 7. Okay, then we continue to simplify further. Now, like we are working with these multiplications, we have 3x times 2x, it gives us 6x squared, right, plus 3x times 7, that's 21x, Okay, then we have minus 8 times 2x, it gives us minus 16, right? Minus 16x. Then we have 8 minus 8 times 7, then it gives us 7 times 8, that's 56. Okay, we have 56 there. Then we move on further to simplify it by grouping like terms, and the like terms that we have 21x and 16x minus 16x. So if we come back, we say 6x squared plus 21 minus 16x, it gives us, that's 21 minus 16. Okay, we have it gives us 5. Okay, then it becomes plus 5x, right, minus 56. And now we can simplify it further, so this will be our final answer. So we moved from this point to this point, and we have expanded. So basically we were just following the laws in mathematics, like you work out the brackets first, and then you must know when to multiply and when not to multiply. Okay, so there is also another last example that I would love for you to understand. You can be given where you have, for instance, you have 4x minus 2 in bracket squared. So this is what you have to know to when you encounter a problem like this. Like, you have to know these basics. Like if you have a plus, okay, let me say a minus b squared, when it comes back, like to simplify it, it becomes a minus b bracket a minus b. It comes like that. So this is one. But then there's also another factor, okay, which is referred to as the difference of factors, where you have a squared minus b squared is different from this, because when you have something like this, it becomes a minus b bracket a plus b. Okay, now that you know which one to use for such an equation, you're going to use like the formula one. So here it simply becomes 4x minus 2 bracket 4x minus 2. Okay, then the next thing that you're going to do, you're just going to break one bracket like the first one. Okay, so you're going to be left with 4x, like what we did from the previous example. That's 4x. Okay, bracket 4x minus 2 from this bracket. Then we have minus 2 bracket 4x minus 2. Okay, then we expand. When we have 4x times 4x, it gives us 16x squared. Then we have 4x times minus 2, it gives us minus 8x. Okay, then we come back here, we have minus 2 times 4x, it gives us minus 8x. Then we have minus 2 times minus 2, it gives us plus 4. Okay, then we further simplify it, where we group the like terms. We have minus 8 and minus 8. Okay, so we have 16x squared minus, because it's minus and minus, we are adding, and it becomes 8 plus 8, it becomes 16, so it becomes minus 16x. Okay, from the directed numbers. I hope you remember that. We talked about some of it from the previous video. You can go and check it out. So it becomes minus 16x plus 4. So this becomes our final answer. So we have factorized from this point to this point. Okay, yeah guys, I think that's it in expansion of an algebra. If you have any further questions or some examples that you'd love for us to try out, do well to just get engaged Thank you.